What's up, guys? Connor here. I was in the midst of changing my fog lights, so I figured I'd do a quick tutorial on how to do it for you guys. First thing you want to do is slide under your car here and locate the fog light you'd like to change. So for me, it's right here. So you find it, then you just put your hand on it, twist it. Let me try to think which way this is. You want to twist it clockwise and pull it out. Here you are. And then this one, so the previous owner put in some aftermarket ones, but they didn't hold up too well. So you just pop this clip on both sides. Come on. Okay. So you pop this clip. I'm gonna need two hands to do this, and then you take it off. That is off. I had to take two hands to do it. So there it is. And then you just grab your other bulb, which should be somewhere to my side. Here it is. You grab it. You find which way it goes on. So the tab's on this side, so it's gonna go on like so. You just put it on like that. Snap it into place. Find your housing again. You're gonna want to put that in. And then just twist it the opposite way you did to take it out. And just like that, fog lights are replaced. Have a great day, guys.